Hey to my lovely, wonderful viewers, welcome back to another upload. Well, check out where we are. This absolutely lovely, lovely beauty of a place. Ingleton Waterfalls. What is it? Go on then, get it! What is it? What? Nice.
Sort of mule carrying all the luggage.
Next change, I've got a personal chauffeur. I've always wanted one.
I've put the bags to the side if you want. You have a piggyback.
What is it, Snuddles? I make up all sorts of names for it. You really are the talk of you, aren't you, Oscar? Hey, you talk away, don't you? What is it? What is it? What? What is it? What did it? Look at you trying to avoid the water at all costs. You big softy. You big softy. What are you doing? What did it? Ade? What did it? What? 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 You're going to have to come and get me, Snaz. Come on then. here. There we go. Here. You're stuck. You're stuck. Chicken! Come on, chicken! Come on, chicken! He's doing everything to try and stay out the water. Come on, chicken! Come on! Goodbye! Goodbye! Oh, he's like, I stay here. Are you going? Go on, go on, go on. What? 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 What did it? What? Tell me. What did it? What's he doing, Ozzy? Goodbye, Oscar! What's he saying? What did it, Oddy? What did it? Oopsie!
Turn around and see if there's any more you.
See, this is what I mean, he won't go in the water unless it's by accident. Yeah. Not done so bad, to be honest. I think he's one of them dogs that don't like getting his bum wet. Whereas that one, he don't care, do you? Right, I want to try and get out now without breaking my ankle. What did it? And dropping my phone, of course. I lost my shoe. I lost my shoe. I lost my shoe this time. They're not the right shoes, these. They ain't the right shoes. Hello, you. Hello. That's it. He just wants to play. He just wants to play. That's like a horse next to you, was it? It's like a horse. Look at him. It's huge. Come on, Ozzy, go get him. Go get him, Ozzy. Go get him, Ozzy.
You damage your tail quite easy, don't you, when you're whacking it against it?
What did you do?
Need to take that off.
He just wants to play, look at him. He wants to play. Oh, he's been protective. Are you being protective, Ozzy? You being protective? Oh. Have you been playing? I'm playing, Ozzy. I'm playing. That's the first time I've seen you be a bit brave. Dressing him off.
He was getting chased by a bull.
You big blooming softy, like an horse, but you're a big softy. Oh.
Are you telling him? You tell him.
He wants to play, Ozzy, like you. He don't not mean. You're not mean that day.
Follow.
Ozzy. You're like King of the Rock on there, aren't you? King of the Rock. What's he barking at? What's he barking at? Where's Oscar? Where's Oscar? Where is he? Where's Oscar? Where's Oscar? Is he over there? What's Oscar doing? What's Oscar doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Eddie? What's Oscar doing? What? What's he doing? Didn't expect you to do that. He's like, I wanted to get it. What is it? Come in! I come in! I come in! I come in! I come in! which one's going to win, the stick or the phone? The stick or the phone? I'm having so much fun here. I don't know what you're biking at. I don't know what you're biking at. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Mine. 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 You're mine. You're mine. What are you barking at? What are you barking at? What are you barking at? I've got total command. Total command. Shut up, you. Oh, honestly, dogs. Honestly. What? What? Where's he going with that stick? Where's he going? You, Oscar, are so cute. You're such a cutie. Is that your stick now? Is that your stick now? Eh? Is that yours for keeps? I think that's yours for keeps now, isn't it? Nobody allowed it. You're going to share it with us, eh? You're going to share it with us, eh? Eh? I think that's a blooming good stick as well. Ozzy, and now chat the best dog in the world, Ozzy, super dog. Yeah, man. Oh, hold him up like Simba. Hold him up like Simba. Oh. Do that with Oscar. Are you going to do that, Ozzy? Are you going to do that? I did thee, Oscar, the next best dog of YouTube. Give him a proper posy. Oh, Oscar, you're so funny. He's there. Look, he's there. Do you see him? He's there. I think I caught that one. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Is that nice and cool, Ozzy? Is that nice and cool? Are you nice and cool there? Come on then. Come on, up. Check out how peaceful and tranquil it is here. Stunning. Nothing like getting away from all the madness and coming into tranquility. This is crazy, guys. Absolute crazy. And we are born into the world of auditing, and then this. Nothing more peaceful or tranquil than this. Getting away from all the madness, all the chaos, and coming out into pure bliss. You ready, Aussies? Come on then! 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 One last time! He's having a drink where he goes. Come on then! Come on then!
He's multitasking.
Drink while you swim. Drink while you swim. Drink and swim. Drink and swim. Drink and swim. Ozzy's going, Oscar's going the other way. He's like, I've been in enough water today. I'm going the other way. I've already been in enough water. I'm going across the bridge. Where's he gone? Go on then, you. Come on then. There he is. Yeah, big softy bum. Have you had enough water today? Have you had enough water today, lad? Oh, the ears. The ears. Oh, look. Yeah. Come on, Ozzy. He just wants to play. Is he nervous? Oh, see, he wants to play so badly. That's his way of saying, come play with me.
Oh, right,
yeah. Come on, we're going. How the heck have I just done that? I've literally, look what I've just done, and I don't know how I've even done it. So I'm videoing that way and this way.
Thing is, who's that good looking bloke on it?
Who's
oh,
that?
is it right, it's me, is it?
How have I done that though? I don't even know how I've done that.
Well,
Is that good? It's like, what the heck are you doing to me? What the heck are you doing to me? I've been covered in enough water today.
you get hot in that car, don't you, Pooch?
Oh, your rag. Oh, your rag.
Yeah. Ethan wants some on him.
Is that cold? It's gonna be.
Please a bit on cat.
No!
No, we're not chucking ice balls over each other.
Go in, up. Daddy. Oh, there we go. Dig down. There we go. Oh, there we go. I could have just got a picture of you. I could have just got a nice picture of you, couldn't I?
Right, come on, dear.
How beautiful is that? How beautiful are you two? Eh? Oh, look at them two. They're adorable. And you two just the best of friends, eh? And these are YouTube husbands right here, aren't they? These are YouTube husbands right here.
Why, mate?
Are we now poopty scoops, you two? Are we now scoopty doops? Look at this. Look at this. How adorable is that?
Go lad.
How adorable is that? Oh, that is so adorable. Hey, excuse me, Ozzy. Excuse me. Like, share and subscribe.